Welcome again to Martin's cooking time at that time. Okay, we have to cut earlier. Now, as you can see, the onions and the garlic are okay. So what we do now, you make halo-halo the sardines na, okay? You put in the sardines, 1 malaki, 2 malaki, okay?
Cooking show.
One more, okay?
No.
3 malaki. As you can see, you make halo-halo again. Okay, you make it go to a simmer. Okay, then you add another 2 maliit. Okay, 2 maliit. Then one more maliit. Okay, one more.
Ano na siya?
Oh. Kasi we're feeding a big family over here.
Philip, hindi na. Naantok na daw siya. 11 na dun eh.
As you can see, everybody over here is my families. Okay, they're Berber nice. Okay, Berber.
Hi, family.
Okay, as you can see over here now, I show you a trick. Okay, I show you a trick. You see, there's leftovers over there. You know, leftovers. Okay, you'll see it when you cook it. Okay. Now you put just a little bit waters, just a little bit, and you make kalog-kalog like that. You make kalog-kalog, then you put it to the next one. You make kalog-kalog again. So you get everything there. Kalog, there. Kalog, there. Okay, one more. Kalog, there. Then, see, it's Berber clean na. You get the other cans. See, there's more. You kalog, you get put it over there. Kalog, there. Okay? Kalog, over there. Now, you get the maliit na, yung lata. Make put it over there. Kalog-kalog, over there. Kalog-kalog, over there. One more kalog-kalog. Okay. Yes, we're good. Last one. Kalog, put, kalog, put. Okay. Come here. Put it like that. Oh, okay. Okay. Now, look. Now it's on simmering, okay? It's simmering. Then after it simmers, okay, when it's simmering, see, as you can see, it's simmering na. Now we add the jalapenos. Okay, we add the jalapenos. One big one for the style, okay? Para we have something nice to present like that. You put it in the middle, put it over there, over there, over there, over there, and you put it all over. Be careful when you halo-halo this because the sardines, they tend to break down a lot. Okay? So make sure that it's well nice, okay? It's Berber nice. Now after you lagay the jalapenos, you get the gata. As you can see over here, we have a whole can. Well, it's up to you how many gata you like. Well, I like it just a little bit. Let's see if half is good. Let's try half muna, ha? If we can get a good color out of the sardines. Okay? You make halo-halo. As you can see, we have a very good color right now. So we actually don't need to put more. Okay? So you just make halo-halo again. you know, just be careful because the sardines, they break a lot, okay? And that's pretty much it. Hold on. Okay. And that's ginataang sardinas. Take a look.